So what I think about CosmosSync, me as a user before I used to work in the shop, where all we used to have was the good old Kodaks. So we would run into the shop, take pictures, go back to the computer so you can transfer your pictures, and from on there was the same thing. The good point with CosmosSync is once you have it in your phone or your phone, you could take it to the shop, you can go see all the vehicles you have in the shop, take all the pictures and put them directly in a folder. So what happens with that is it saves you a lot of time. So no need to rush back to your computer, to your desk to put back the pictures into folders. So I wouldn't go back to the old Kodak, that's for sure. Having CosmosSync is like a point of no return for us. We couldn't go back to anything else. It's pretty much a dinosaur's era from here on out.
We'll go with CosmosSync. We started with that like a year and a half ago. Me and my appraiser. We really like it, and today we're still with CosmosSync, and we have whole guy now that's working with us, and they didn't like computer, nothing there, and I just give him the phone because for working here you need to taking picture with Cosmos because you cannot pass beside that. It's too easy now to work with that than like what we got before, so you won't take me back to CosmosSync after a year and a half. And for the appraiser, I'll come back on that there. That guy is really impressed with that now, and you're gonna send an interview with this guy there, and I'm gonna let him to say the way he saw that, to explain to you guys by himself. And for me, everything is done. You cannot take that back there, and we're gonna go deeper with CosmosSync.
Well, being computer dumb, it's a tool that is very easy to learn and very user-friendly. Took me about a day, no more than 2, to get used to it. And right now, I wouldn't go back to anything else. If you would take CosmosSync off the market, you would have to go back with the camera that has the chip in it, download it. I would say it would take a 10 to 15 year step back if you take that off the market. It's that easy and that good to work with, and coming from me, believe me, it is very friendly user. Yeah, photo quality. The aim, as soon as you get your aim, you just touch the screen, everything comes on. Quality is very good. I would say no flaw in the photo, and very rarely the insurance company will call me back and say your photo were lousy or something like that. And what I like about it is I can take my photo outside, I download it right away, it goes into the computer. I need to do something else, I just change my number in the phone in CosmosSync, take some more picture, send it back to where I want them to go. That easy, very fun to work with.
Well, it would create a few more steps for us internally. Yeah, I mean, we'd go back to using the digital camera and then plugging in our cards to our computers, to our desktops, and then categorizing the photos accordingly, right? So CosmosSync saves us a lot of those steps.
Oh, well, basically it breaks everything down by a work order number, so you can just type in a work order and all your invoices pop up in a folder that it sends it to automatically, so it's quite useful. If we got rid of it tomorrow, I would be upset about it.
The best thing of CosmosSync is you save time in every category of your work, so at the end of the month, the amount saved in time is like humongous, so it's simple, but very efficient at the same time, so I think it's a very nice application.